Hello everyone. So we are
Hello.
at Die and Mould exhibition 2024 at the stall of OMG Auto. With us is Mr. Nandakumar, who is handling the operations of OMG Auto. With the new advancements they are showcasing here at the booth, I would like to understand what all they have on the demonstration and how OMG Auto is paving the way into the mold and die industry. So,
Yeah.
sir, please take us to the booth, inside the booth,
Yeah.
and let us know the advancements.
Hello. So we are mostly we are all a known company since last 30 years. We are in this tool manufacturing segment, but there are many segments which we have entered now, which we wanted our customers to know. So we would just introduce what all we are activities we are into, like the mirror molds. You can see here, we manufacture molds for ORVM, IRVM. All these are the most critical parts in a car, automobile. So we manufacture for different clientele like Maruti and OMG Motors and all Tata Motors, like that. This year we do lot of business in the electronic segment, wherein even the product design is done by us. For this product, we received the Economic Time Polymers Award for product development in the last year. Our team had done a fantastic job. They developed the product, they did the assembly, all the variables they have considered and done this product. So we are also into this OSH segment, occupational safety and health, where all the safety products like the helmets, the ear muffs, the eyewears, everything we are doing, masks. Then if we move to this is another segment wherein we are into, wherein we cater to the water industry, the pipe fitting industry. This is for the drainage channels. These are large size mold, wherein India very few people are able to do such type of molds. So this is also in the electronic segment. We developed this soundbar product for Onida Group. This is for electronic segment also. This is Wi-Fi modules, outdoor Wi-Fi modules. This is for the UK market and this is for the US market.
So, sir, this is all the new vertices which
Yes,
you
yes,
have recently
yes,
entered,
yeah.
if I'm not wrong. So, if you can let us know your story behind, getting into that situation that you are knowledgeable that there is a gap in the market, which
Yes.
where OMG Auto can
Yeah.
be the supplier or be the manufacturer for this particular source. So, how does that begin?
So, like actually, what happened is with the Make in India push, earlier all the companies were making their molds, OEs were making their molds from China because of the cost advantage. There were a lot of infrastructure deficiency in India. There were many issues in India. The lead times were higher. So many issues were there. Then with the Make in India push, slowly the companies started manufacturing India, and we also geared our infrastructure in such a way. We have one of the biggest infrastructure for tool manufacturing in India as of now. So in that we geared up, we added machines, whatever was required, sophisticated machine, the latest technology machines we added, and now we are able to reach that level or improve better than China.
That's amazing. I mean, the Make in India campaign has literally played a vital role in your growth,
Yes,
we
yes,
would say, and
definitely.
you're contributing it to the campaign
Yes.
very prominently. Moving ahead, we have some parts which you are manufacturing for
This,
the automotive.
for the electric two-wheeler segment, we are making these all major molds for the electric two-wheeler segment, like TVS, ultraviolet. Then the river, the major parts were River Indy. Now they have tied up with Yamaha and they are developing a new model. So for the Indy, all the major tools we have made. This is for the, then moving ahead, this is for the commercial vehicles, for instrument panel cluster for Ashok Leyland group. This is for the River Indy. This is also for Ashok Leyland, the handbrake parking levers for Tata Motors. So all those products are there. Then this is our core business, wherein we are market leaders in this particular segment. We make molds for the pipe fitting industry, wherein almost all the major pipe fitting companies in India, are using our molds, and they are very happy with our mold. And we make more than 50 molds every month in this particular segment.
Definitely. And talking about the molding industry, which is a growing
Yeah.
segment in the manufacturing, OMG Auto has played a vital role
Yeah.
since you're growing now.
Yeah.
What is your expectations from the industry in the upcoming years, and how do you see your company, like OMG Auto, is playing the role in it?
Only expectation what we have is we should get that opportunity. That's all. Proving that to rising up to that level, that is our this responsibility, and we will do that. There is no issue. Only thing, somebody should give us an opportunity. That's all.
And also talking about the opportunities which are ahead, apart from these segments which you have even newly entered, do you see there are any newest opportunities apart from these segments when it comes to the mold?
In the electronic segment, it is a big untapped industry. Lot many companies are like Tata Electronics, Delta Electronics. They are all coming to India. We interacted with almost all the people, and we found out that they are not getting a proper mold maker as of now. So this is a very untapped segment, and I think we are also entering into that segment.
Thank you, sir, for letting us know about this particular demonstration at Die and Mould. We wish you a great show for the remaining time, and thank you so much, everyone, for watching us.
Thank you.